Docking in heavy winds is always a challenge. When doing it with a channel subscriber on board for the first time, well, that takes it to a whole new level. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been reflecting on just how fortunate I am. Sailing has taken me to some amazing places, but it's this channel and the Patreon community that makes it possible to share stories, laugh, and build lifelong friendships. In this episode, we head to Rockport Market Days to visit Lance from Old Port Salt and Brine, and then we race an income in front in Corpus Christi for a short sail with longtime viewer Jim. Alright, let's go.
Good job.
Alright, we'll go nice and easy till he gets back here.
This is Jim and his wife Jill, and they're visiting us from New York. Jim has been a loyal subscriber since I launched the channel, and when they planned a trip down to Texas, they sent me a message to see if we could meet up. Not only do they watch my videos, but they also own a Jeanneau Sun Odyssey, so that gave us a lot to chat about.
So how often do you guys get out on your boat?
I sail every Wednesday on a race boat.
As many as possible.
So, but it's just, between the work schedule and everything else.
Not only did we talk about sailing and his recent trips, but he also told me about some other interesting channels like Project Seawolf.
Get some footage of me doing what I do best. Sit on my ass.
Unfortunately, the sail was cut short because they were forecasting some spirited winds, which isn't an issue for sailing, but it does create a challenge for docking. We were out less than an hour and a half and the wind was already picking up, and I found myself trying to keep my cool and not embarrass myself too much.
See, all these other people are protected. See how the water lays down? You see on the bed on the outside? I got almost no protection. And about where that marker is, it's about 3 foot. Really? Because it comes in here and it just where that current is, throws all that sand out there. So it just starts building up.
To let me in, shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever want to be king? I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name. Never an honest word, but that was.
Tell me when you're on. Now get ready to jump off. I'll come to a rest. Okay. Hand me that red line. Now I just gotta let the wind push me back here. She's awesome.
Well, you made that look easy.
Well, you see how they had to compensate for the wind because I knew it was going to blow.
Wow, that was
I was a
impressive.
little nervous, to be honest with you.
That was impressive.
That's how we do it, Jim.
Wow, that's fantastic.
I'm sorry, we're just having a bad day.
Oh, you're having a bad day? Did you die?
I got shot.
But did you die?
Very cool vendor here at the Rockport Market Days, and some really cool patches. These are all really trendy. And I have this big bag, my Merce that I carry around, and when I saw this patch, I couldn't resist. But Did You Die? One of my favorite movies. So hey, thanks guys, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, we're over here at Old Port Spice and Brine, which is, let's see, right here, what point? Yeah, right here. And we have Lance, and he is the founder, owner, developer of artesian vinegars, candied pickles, jalapenos, gourmet condiments, and good. So he's picked a beautiful day to be out here in Rockport, Texas. And he said sales are going really well. So he still has another full day. He's already sold out of some of the items that we came here to get. So that's awesome. Yeah, so we're going to count this as my first Patreon meeting. A meetup. Yeah. I was like, when am I going to have enough people that I can actually have a Patreon? We're going to actually count this. So yeah, the next one will be number 2. All right. So hey, if you're in the Rockport or anywhere in this area, come out here to Rockport Market Days and check out, again, Old Port Spice and Brine. It's going to be worth your visit.
A special thanks goes out to my Patreons and subscribers. Sharing this journey and connecting with you truly makes life meaningful. That wraps up this week. Thanks for following our journey, one adventure at a time. Join us on Patreon for bonus footage and behind-the-scenes updates. Your support there is truly what helps fuel these adventures. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'll see you next week.